Tired of making the regular kind of egusi? Come with me. This is a very detailed video. So in this bowl, I have my egusi, Uziza seed, and crayfish, which I'm going to dry blend. This is just to spice it up. My goodness, and this soup, my god, delicious. So put your pot on fire, empty hot pot, pour your palm oil in it. Inside your palm oil, put your sliced or grinded onions. That's what is on fire at the moment. Then go in with your locust beans. This is my locust bean. Raise your locust beans and put into your hot oil that has your onions and your palm oil on the fire. Make sure that you put in as much as you want. Then go in with your crayfish. Put in your blended crayfish into the mix of oil, onions, and locust beans. Stir very well and allow it to cook for a bit. Your house is going to be all smoky, but it's all a part of it. Now go in with your blended pepper. Go in with your blended pepper, pour your blended pepper into the mixture. Put in as much as you want, depending on the quantity of your egusi. Okay, so when we're done with that, you can use your meat stock, which is this one, to rinse out the remains of the pepper into your pot. Allow this to cook. Add your ingredients. Stir. I'm stirring here, but you can, just allow it to cook before you stir. Cover it, then begin to add your ingredients. This is my salt. I go in with my salt. I'm not so good with this voiceover thing, but for cooking, but either way, I am. Then the seasoning cubes. That's my pepper soup spice. I like to put pepper soup spice into my soups. Okay, so make sure you put in as much as you want it to, but be very careful so it doesn't make your soup salty. Stir very well. Let everything get into the right proportion in your stew, and taste to be sure that you have the right proportion of your salt, your spice, and whatever it is that you intend to do. Then go in with your fish. This is my fish, my roasted catfish, my cow skin bomo. So I made everything together. It's going to give your soup a very beautiful flavor. You would love it when you're eating it. So just pour all that into your stew sauce, or let me say your egusi sauce, right? This is the base of our egusi. Then going with your meat. This is my gizzard and my chicken. Gizzard and chicken. Pour everything into your egusi sauce. Just make sure that you use anything you want to do, use any animal you want, whether goat's meat or anything, whatever you have in your house. Just put everything and stir properly. Make sure that I really stirred this to give me what I wanted. All right, again, this is just a very detailed video. I am not good with all this cooking thingy, but can you say that? So now you're going with your egusi. This egusi is mixed with my chicken stock, okay? And you remember how we blended this egusi: Uziza seed, crayfish, and the chicken stock, okay? So please, the chicken stock, after I blended it, I used my chicken stock to mix my egusi. It just gives it a very peculiar kind of taste. Uziza seed is everywhere. If you live in Nigeria, it's everywhere. Just go to those that sell native soups ingredients and ask them for Uziza seed. It's a very tiny seed and you can blend it. So quick to blend, okay? The aroma that Uziza seed gives any soup is heavenly. By this time, the aroma of this was everywhere in my house. Everywhere. So now I'm going with my panla fish. Panla fish is roasted fish, right? And you know that panla gives this a very beautiful flavor. Panla is so good. I love panla fish a lot. So put your panla fish into your soup, stir properly so that everything simmers in, everything gets involved in the very right proportion, if you know what I mean. Then you go in with your black pepper, cayenne pepper. Please, if you're not a pepper person, be very careful because this pepper is very peppery. It enters. Then my leaf, instead of ugu, I'm using my Uziza leaf. Since I discovered this as a replacement for making egusi, I've never looked back. I love ugu, but this is just beautiful. And to make my job easier, I decided to just clean out, the walls of my kitchen because of the splash from the oil and everything, and my gas and all. But can you see the goodness? Can you see? Do you see this? Do you love it? Okay, if you're going to be trying this, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching thus far, and I really hope that you've been able to learn. Thank you. Bye.